Good evening, everyone. Tonight we're at Descanso Gardens in Canada-Flintridge for opening weekend of Carved, one of my favorite events. You get to explore this beautiful garden and see all the hand-carved pumpkins and art installations. This is a family-friendly event, beautifully lit and decorated. Absolutely love it. Runs through October 30th. Always, we get here early, right when the gates open at 6 o'clock to see it with the sun up, and then we do it again when the sun goes down. So we'll show you both tours. When the sun is out and when it gets dark. Takes on a totally different atmosphere, but it's so pretty. I love to see it with the sun up and then see it again once it gets dark. Let's head on in. The music they use typically does not copyright on YouTube, so we're just going to leave the ambient noise out there in music. We're not going to add in any other sounds and just show you and let you feel and sense what the garden is like.
It's our hometown. That's no confetti. Yeah.
Wait, what do you got? What do you got? Oh, there's. You throw your tools up or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can just look.
That is it here from Descanso Gardens, carved open through October 30th. You have plenty of time to come on out. Let us know, do you like it better at sunset or at night when everything is lit up? I love it no matter what. Plenty of food and drink options here too. We had some delicious soup, a pretzel, and a quesadilla tonight. They have amazing desserts, alcoholic beverages, hot apple cider. Huge props for having hot apple cider and pumpkin pie. You think that'd be a staple at all these events, and it's not. So definitely got both of those tonight. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. Follow us on social media. And happy Halloween, everyone. And if you're wondering how long the trail is, it is right around 1 mile. Now, we did it twice because we did it when the sun was going down and after it was dark. You can expect to spend anywhere, if you just do the trail and not stop to eat, maybe a half an hour. But if you stop, really take in the sights, enjoy some dinner, you could eat at the Farmhouse restaurant or get something along the trail. I'd say hour to hour and a half maybe expect to spend, but you can stay as long as you'd like, go around as many times as you want. We showed this clip earlier, but I want to send a big shout out to Arthur and Zach. Nice meeting you tonight. They are the carvers there doing the pumpkin carving demonstrations, and they are fans of the channel. So nice speaking with you. Thanks for watching, and it was nice meeting both of you.